Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, uh, which I've told you already, like after the 2 days, like we have explored all of the SQL data sets. We would be exploring a dashboard, which is a Power BI dashboard. So I have already prepared. This is a Licious dashboard, which I've already told you that we would be creating a Licious dashboard. So for the data set, I have created a folder, like I will give you all of the access of that. I have created a folder. You can see that the Licious project where I have given you a Licious data. When you open this Licious data, you will be getting four of the files. I'm sorry, three of the files, which is the orders, products, and the customer. This is the data of the customer. And these are the Licious SQL questions. You have like you can like we have solved almost every question in the list SQL questions, and now like I have just created a dashboard so you can see that like on the basis like the first page is a theme page which I've created on the basis of the Licious logo which I've created. So this I have taken from the web browser. I've taken this logo, and this is a God chart. So God chart is used when we want to show any of the target, right? So if in this case I have check, so we have a column known as count of, we have a column preparation time, right? So I have just created a God chart of that within 30 minutes I just need to track that how many orders, I'm sorry, how many dishes are being prepared by the customer. So right, this is a God chart. And then this is a summary report which I have created. You can see that I have added a year slicer. This is a city slicer. So city, which I've already told you, like city was not there. So I have used the Power Query. So with the help of that, I have only extract the city column, right? So with the help of Power BI is easy as compared to a SQL whenever you are trying to extract any of the column or maybe the subtext from the column, right? So here you can see that we have a different cities. If I click on the drop down, you can see the Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Mumbai, right? And these are the when I click on 2024, the report will change. You can see that the report will change. This is for the 2024 data you are getting. So most of the product by 2024, you can see that chicken is the most like most sold product in 2024. These are the KPIs which I've created. This is a total sale. This is a total quantity sold. This is our total order sold. This is our total customer for 2024, and this is the average order value because we don't have a sales of that column, right? Because we haven't created for the month, right? When I click on the January month, so you can see that every order, every information is keep on changing. This is the average for the 2024 for the January, right? When I click on the February, so February is also changing. You can see that, right? So every information of this data will keep on changing, right? So now I need to filter out on the basis of Hyderabad, right? When I click on Hyderabad, you can see that it is all white, right? That's why it is showing all white. When I click on Delhi, so you can see that now Delhi count of customer will be saying. So it is around 1.93K, right? So every information on the basis of this, it will keep on changing. Let me check why average order value is 1 second. Yeah, it is average only, average order value. This is your total amount, right? Total order amount, average or total amount. Okay, okay, sorry, I need to drag this one. Yeah, sorry. So you can see that now the average order value is for 3K. So every information will be so when I click when I click on Hyderabad, so you can see the average order value is still 1K. That is for each customer we are getting. How many customer are placing the average order value, right? So we have a different terms when we say we have the average order value. Average order value means what is the average order the customer is placing the order any of the D2C platforms, right? So Licious is there, Blinkit is there. So Licious average order value is a big value, right? Because we have a 400 to 500 rupees per kg of chicken you can get, right? So that's why the average order value is greater. Then you can see that this is a innovative chart which I'll explain you. First of all, let me remove all the filters. So yeah, this is a waterfall chart. So what the waterfall chart is, it will it will give you the progress of the year wise, right? So what I've done is, one second. Yeah, so it will give you the year wise progress from the last year. So if you can see that these are the products and we are tracking all the information on the basis of the products, right? So you can see that snacks having the sale, then it will go up, then it is going down, right? So it will give you the progress on the basis of the total sale for across different categories of the products. So yeah, that's a waterfall chart. So yeah, that's a it so this video is all about the dashboard which we I need to show you. So if you need a complete video that how we can build this dashboard, I will explain you in a coming videos as well. So from the next video I will cover another D2C brand, not a like it is a famous D2C brand. Mostly I will cover first cry. I have the data set already, so definitely I will cover that D2C brand, because mostly I will cover a D2C brand only because most of the students and even I want to go to a D2C brand only because they have a very different like whenever you guys will be working on the D2C brand data set, you will love the data set because every data set have a unique proportion of the data, right? So if you can say uh, if I so every information on the D2C is tracked on the basis of customer order information, and then we have a rider in information also, right? So because each uh, rider is like taking the goods and it is like delivering the goods, right? So every information is based on the that data. So yeah, definitely that would be for this video only. If you have any doubt about the dataset, I will also uploading all these files. I will upload this Alicia dataset PBX along with the data file so that you can build a complete project on the basis of that. And yeah, so I will see you my next week now because next week I need to work on the next data set also. That would be which I've told you already, which is the first cry. So first cry, we would be start with the same information. This time we would keep the project within a 2 days because third days I like we have used most of the time on the SQL. So now we would be cover only 10 to 11 SQL question, which will cover 3 to 4 easy to medium, and 7 question would be covered on the hard base. Like it would be covered on the medium to hard. So once that would be done, then we will go to a first cry, which is a data set on a PBI report, which will show you on the basis of how we can create a cards, how will we can create filters, how can we create any visual which is appealing to the customer. Because if we show this visual to the stakeholder, the first he will say that like what is my total sale on year, month on month, right? So we need to show that is the most important information. Also some of the companies also tracking day on day sales, right? Because we have a 30 days, so what are the average sales we are getting, on the basis of whole day, right? So this would be the first metric he would be interested, or maybe the business owners would be interested. The second would be which is the most best month on the city wise, like which city is the best on the basis of the sale, right? So we which I've already show you, right? So if we want to check on the basis of the city, right, which is the best city on the basis of sales, right? So we can, this is a top 10 customer by spend, right? Which customers spend per month on which like who are those customers who are spending majority, right, on the customer, like their gross value, or LTV, we say, like lifetime value. So if we say we want to track how many, sorry, what is our total sale month on month, right? So first of all, if I say I need to track only for 2024, I click on 2024. This would be changed, and let me fix it up. This is not the correct one. I need to go for the total amount only. Okay. So some, then this average. Okay, average is showing setting property total amount, and would be, okay. I guess I need to fix it up. It is showing the total amount and it's not, okay. Show value as, and new quick measure. Okay, I'll fix it up, right? So yeah, definitely that would be for the video, because I don't want to make the video very long. So like I'll make a video on the first cry now, and to when that project will be done, and I will show you how we can like take the information benefits also, uh, so that you can publish that projects on your GitHub profile also. So that's it for the video. I will see you next week. Hope so. You like my channel. If you liking my content, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also like the video, and also please comment on the video. Whatever you are like not understanding, also you can just leave a comment, and if there's any feedback, also just give me the feedback so that I can just improve myself on the study, and it would be beneficial for you also. So yeah, I'll see you on the next day. Have a great day and happy weekend, guys.